It's been difficult. Last summer we had to drive to get the meals. We had to store like a week's worth of meals at one time. And this process is way smoother. The meals delivered each day, like I'm super grateful for that.
The USDA estimates that 31% of food is wasted.
However, in Oregon, 1 in 7 children face hunger.
At Feed the Mass, we want to combat this, so we've launched a ready-to-eat program.
We're at the Fed Kitchen where hot and ready meals are being prepared for food pantries and students in the PPS school system.
Our goal is to make 120,000 free meals for the community. 50% of the food is locally sourced and the other 50% is food rescued from being wasted.
This is to divert 80,000 pounds of food from reaching the landfills.
What's even better is that these meals are packaged in 100% biodegradable materials. These meals can go in the microwave, the oven, and the freezer for up to 6 months.
I am Netty McKenzie, Sun Site Manager here at Kairos PDX. We have a Sun School program through SEI, the Agency Self-Enhancement. And this summer, what we are doing is enrichment-based. We have meals provided by Jacob, which we're super grateful for and excited about. And the kids have really liked the meal so far. Because we have Feed the Mass, we're able to just put it in the warmers, hand it out to the kids, and it makes it super simple for myself and my staff, but also super simple for the kids. They can grab, go, and enjoy. So I think that's mainly like why I'm grateful to have the ready-made meals, because it's just super helpful and easy for us. It's fresher, it's more enjoyable for the kids who are excited about eating. Like today, they're gonna be like, oh, we get like potatoes and eggs, like breakfast, brunch. Like they're excited to eat it.
These meals are free and can accommodate anyone's diet. To get your hot meal, go to feedthemass.org/fed-program.